This is a tutorial video on how to download the Excel file from Etoro. Go to etoro.com and log into your account. Click Settings from the left menu. Click Account. Click View to view the account statement. Select Custom under Select Dates. Select Start Date and End Date so that your entire transaction history will be included. Click Create and download the Excel file. Now you can upload this Excel file directly into your Cointelli account to calculate your taxes. Thanks for watching.